The US Space Agency NASA and NOAA have said that a massive geomagnetic solar storm will possibly hit the Earth on Thursday, April 14, 2022, which may also cause a global blackout. Both NASA and NOAA confirmed on Tuesday that a halo coronal mass ejection was spotted racing toward the Earth. Also, the Center of Excellence in Space Sciences India shared the details of the upcoming storm. A halo CME was detected by Soho LASCO on 11th April. Our model fit indicates a very high probability of Earth impact on 14th April 2022 with speeds ranging between 429 to 575 km per second. Researchers suggest this event could cause possible damage to Earth. Recently, the Sun has been flaring up more. This is because it is approaching its Solar Maxima in its 11-year solar cycle. Solar Maxima is a time of greatest activity during the solar cycle. As a result, the Sun has been flaring up with coronal mass ejection more frequently in past few months. Experts say an enormous solar storm could short out telecom satellites, radio communications, and power grids, leading to trillions of dollars in damage. If a massive CME were spotted, such 3-day forecasts give us some lead time. There are some measures electric utilities could take to protect their equipment, such as quickly disconnecting transformers. Polar flights, which travel at the highest altitude, could be rerouted to avoid contact with damaging solar particles, and some satellites could be switched into a safe mode to minimize the damage. Thank you for watching and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. Have a good day.